Hi everyone, another workshop update. See what we've got going on at the moment. Got a pair of rubber bumper MGs, both in very spring appropriate yellow. We've got first of all a Midget that's come in for quite a bit of work, full service, sorting out brakes, electronic ignition upgrade, carburetor tune-up, prop shaft, a number of other small repairs. We've also got an MGB that's come in from a customer who was living in France with it, been in the barn there for quite a while, to put it back on the road, so doing a full recommission on that car. It's having a bit of a go through at the moment, taking the fuel tank off, flush all the system out because it was all very stale, the petrol. Just getting a bit of oil pressure up and a few basic checks. So a bit of a list, a few suspension bushes. Again, I'm going to do electronic ignition on this one. Just go through it front to back, make it safe for the road. And then we have also some carburetors. These got some HS6s here to go through, rebuild them all using a few different linkage components to make it all work for a conversion. It's going to go on a Volvo Amazon, so it's utilising bits from different SU components to make all the linkages work for that. It's an automatic as well, so we're going to have to work out a few modifications on that side as well. So spindle bush repair and cleaning everything up and try and get all that system to work. So just doing the first build now on these once they're all cleaned up, and we can get that car in hopefully some point soon to get that working. That car's been in the workshop before. We've done electronic ignition upgrade on it, and it's otherwise a good car, so that one hopefully won't be too much of a job. So that's it. We'll be in touch soon. Cheers, bye.